where it's at 1972 with Elaine Wint and Baldwin Ho. The clan was just magnificent.
As a little girl coming up and know where it's at, I always want to sit down to watch that one station.
It's gonna shot the 6:30, we have a fine with TV.
Snappy dresser, sharp, witty, clean heart, and a great personality.
Him legacy live on same way. Him respect their same way with the whole of them.
Maxie say dancing is his greatest hobby. Him say whenever you get a talent, use it, especially ones that keep you fit, keep you looking young. Let's get right into it.
Dark tune, people. Dark tune.
Get a talent from the Almighty and them something. You have to just go and deal with it and use it. You understand me? I say because that talent, that thing will keep you all fit and make you look even young too. You understand me? I say, and it keep you going and them something. So I love it. That's one of my greatest hobby.
Maxie Clan, one of the first local superstar that I know. He was famous for starring up where it's at, that aired on JBC television every Saturday. Jamaica look forward to watch it.
You know, because I was one of the number one on the Great Sat program, you know. There was a dance program in Great Sat, like Soul Chin of the State and them something. So, if you don't know the people, them kind of love me and all them because I'm for that. And I'm still love me because you walking on the street in Jamaica right now, everybody call to me, see me because they remember. You know, every Sunday I'm at this club named Ken's Wildflowers in a Greater Portmore, and the people, them kind of love that too because me, man, they just love the dancing. From the start, me don't want to stop.
Maxie Clan was the star. In those days, we never had 3 or 2 television stations. It was one. So it's either you watch it or you turn off your television. When Maxie Clan walked through the community, man, woman, and child pointing at him. See Maxie there? Someone may say, who is Maxie? I him dance from where it's at. Right away, stardom confirmed. In those days, no one makes money from dancing. For you to follow up dancing, you have to love it. Unlike today, man make millions off of dancing. Building house, buying cars, flying in and out of the island. But it all started from the older folks, the original dancers from the community, like Monkey Bread, Kosop, Jomo, and Maxie Clan. But as time goes by, dancing becomes popular and dancers started to achieve millions for their dance moves. Like Bogle, Ice, Ravers, Clavers, Ding Dong. Even the DJs started creating their own dance moves and making dance songs. Elephant Man is famous for that. One of his biggest dance songs was Gully Creeper, which you see in both promote that dance all over the world. He will do it after he win a race. But that same dance move was originated by Maxie Clan way back in the days. In those days, it was known as the funk. To date, it was researched and upgraded, and it is now called Gully Creeper.
First move start with
This one big up Maxie Clan. Straight. As a little girl coming up and know where it's at, I always want to sit down to watch that one station. Yeah.
Where's that?
Straight, Maxie.
Our Jamaica Michael Jackson, that's enough. It's gonna shot the 6:30, we have a fine with
Mexico,
TV.
what do you call some of these moves? As we move along, I want you to explain to you, the dancing fan, what are these moves? Well, you see, some of them move here. We just used to dance, because we used to do the original dance in them. Whenever we used to put no name to them. Wherever dance in them, carry spots like this.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Everybody don't want to do like this.
Yeah. What you saying? It's the same cabbage patch there.
Same cabbage patch.
Uh-huh.
What we should do is go around.
Yeah.
I have one next one. But them
Yeah.
can't linger.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they are funky.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm
So
saying?
it's a variation of a move of a move.
Yeah. You know, so them just come and pretty it up.
Mm-hmm.
You know? You have a next one like this. You know?
Yeah.
We used to do it like this. But them come and, you know, put it some little
Clear. Yeah.
work and clear it up.
You have a signature move that you always do and touch your, you know that move that we see Janite be trying to do and
So
stuff
this
like
one
that.
of the move I beat him and I always love to.
Yeah.
Son.
Yeah.
They always do it on 1 foot.
Yeah, yeah.
They can't manage the 2 foot.
Yeah.
But they said this is a long time. This is our move.
Yeah, yeah.
This is one of my moves.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
They do it on 1 foot.
Yeah, yeah.
For those who beat him and always do it on 1 foot. Yeah?
Because it's difficult to combine both legs together.
Right, but I can do it on 2 foot.
Mm-hmm. What some of the dancers that you see now that has been really doing the work and carrying on the great legacy of dancing? Because Brother Bogle is not here anymore.
Well, to be real, Bogle is a man where get it from we.
Mm-hmm.
Because when Bogle used to come out where it's at, he would just sit down and observe and watch.